Okay, so we are going to go through the bid breakdown sheet. Just columns A through J in this one, and we simply have the job name, the status, which is active. Column C is the estimator. Column D is the project manager. E is the budget for the project, and that is taken from Sage. And I will go over exactly how to find that, as well as the hours for the project, just so we start with a baseline and that there's a complete understanding. Column G is a revenue per hour, and that's really just taking the budget and dividing it by the hours. And so this column will vary based on the complexities of the project, etc. Column H is the cubic yards by job, the whole filtered out for the whole project. And so this is total cubic yards in the project. And then column I is taking the hours and dividing it by the cubic yards, which gives you hours per cubic yard. So on this particular project, if we take the hours of 14,600 and divide it by the cubic yards, which is 3826, it gives us 382. So we have 3 hours, 0.82, almost 4 hours per cubic yard. And then that creates another formatted cell, which is revenue per cubic yard. So it's really just the budget divided by the cubic yards. Gives us the revenue per cubic yard. We can also take the revenue per cubic yard, multiply it times the cubic yards, which would equal the budget. So it all works together. So what this spreadsheet is really for is just to give a very broad overview of what the project is, hours per cubic yard, and this A through J will never change. Before a project even starts, and we've got a contract and we've got the budget entered in Sage and we're ready to go, A through J can be completed and it will never change. And so then we'll focus on the rest of the spreadsheet in a following video, but I just want to kind of give a brief overview of exactly what this is, starting out with just A through J.